looks incredible. It does look really good. It's almost got like kind of like 3D effect that the diff is so good.
Nothing in my actual life looks that good, so I'm not used to seeing anything in that level of resolution, so I'm a little bit worried now that I'm leaving this experience. Nothing will ever look that good again, like the most beautiful sunrise, garbage, it's not 8K.
I haven't seen much content like that before. I think the picture's amazing.
I think it's pretty footage, yeah, it looks nice.
The jump from 4K to 8K perhaps isn't as obvious as, say, from normal HD up to 4K.
I wouldn't say I would pay thousands more for an 8K TV over a 4K TV.
So I'll have to wait until something actually gets released on 8K before I'd be tempted.
The novelty of this high def demo footage will wear off, and that demo footage is all you can watch on it right now.